What's your style really saying about you? I'll show you some different pieces, and based off of vibes and instinct, I want you to pick one. Cause over here, we don't do rules. We do alignment and we do intuition. So let's get into it. Welcome to This or That, but make it a style reading. I'm your host, Alexis, your favorite ex-corporate fashion designer turned image consultant, here to help you reframe how you perceive style. So let's set the tone. Your homegirl Eden is getting married. She wants you to join in on all the prenuptial festivities. Don't worry, she's a cool bride. Here's the itinerary. It'll be a summer shindig. We're already here at Palm Springs. It's supposed to be a relaxing, upscale experience for the girls, but she might have a surprise up her sleeve for y'all, so be ready. Oh, and you only have 3 seconds to make a choice. Let's kick off the girls' trip with a day at the spa. It's time for a pedicure. Neon, French tips, or soft pastels? Make a pick and I'll tell you what it says about your summer mood. If you chose Frenchies, it's giving a little "don't touch me" princess vibes with a subtle flex. Neon, you're ready for some mischief. Main character poolside chaos. You like your fun loud. In pastels, your vibe is brunch, barefoot on a balcony in Venice. She's a romantic. So cute. But now it's time for the yacht cruise. So, what hat are we wearing? If you chose straw, you're calling in warmth. Think slow mornings and long walks in the sand. The visor, it's techie, it's cheeky, for the girl who likes her sun protection with some side-eye potential. And this cap, it's giving a bit of borrowed energy. It's perfect for one of those I'm not trying days, yet you still look like you tried. What a day, what a day. Go get some rest and be prepared for another day of adventure. Rise and shine. Amen. Our next excursion for the day is a private tea room. And remember, these are your bougie friends, so you gotta come correct. What dress are you picking? A. It's sweet, but not predictable. Perfect for the tastemaker who likes to shake things up. B, she's suggestive with plenty of restraint, yet so effortlessly feminine. C, a little country, a little flirty, paisley like your grandma's scarf, but she's got places to be. And yes, this was supposed to be a low-key, relaxing weekend, but it is a bachelorette after all, and the girls are ready to party. But this isn't just any party. She's kind of best friends with The Rock, so him and all his hot friends will be there too. Eden wants y'all to dress up in your finest attire for the private party. And it's time to go all out here. No need to be practical, just dream. Which dress do you go for? A, this is for the woman who doesn't need to shine to be striking. She's polished, pared back, a quiet kind of power that lingers after the lights are out. B, this is for the woman who makes an entrance but never tries to. Fluid, bold, a little undone, just enough to keep them guessing. And C, this is for the ones who prefer their elegance with a whisper of drama, a soft gleam, a touch of curve, and a promise to be remembered. And we dance the night away, make so many fun memories. The Rock and his friends said you look incredible and your taste is impeccable. Well, ladies, it's the last day of the party, so remember how we said she's a cool bride? She has a surprise for y'all. She got everybody matching silk robes to keep for moments you want to wrap yourself in luxury. And she also brought y'all some earrings to choose from. Eden is sweet as pie and she's also loaded. So which earrings are you picking? A, This is giving detail wrapped in quiet strength. Your reminder that simple doesn't mean boring, it's just refined. If you know, you know. B. This is very old soul energy and imperfect on purpose. Perfect for the daydreamers. C. This is a wink in accessory form. Sweet but sharp. Plenty of sparkle and charm. What a fun weekend with the girls, but it's not over yet. In the next episode, we're going to decide what to wear to the rest of the prenuptial festivities, cause we gotta get this girl married. In the meantime, comment your favorite part from the girls' weekend. Mine was the tea room tasting. If there's anything from the video that felt aligned with your taste, all products are linked in the description below. And for those who already took the style archetype quiz, keep your eyes peeled cause I have some fun things coming in your inbox soon. Take care, I love you, and I'll see you cutie pies in the next one. Bye!